We're here in a 2020 Lexus UX. We are about to add wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto and a whole lot of other features too. This beautiful 10.25-inch touchscreen is fully touchscreen, also works with the original touchpad, and we have completely updated the look and feel of this vehicle. Let's go ahead and set up wireless CarPlay now. The first time you start it up, come here to Settings, Phone Connection Settings, and make sure wireless connectivity is enabled. Then pull out your iPhone, open up the Settings app, Bluetooth, and wait for the new Hamilton device to appear here. The name of this device is Hamilton, and it has 4 unique characters afterwards. When the pairing code pops up, click Pair, Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And if you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. And just like that, CarPlay will automatically open. There it is. What a beautiful difference in this vehicle. I have a few important points to note to you. Our phone is going to be streaming music via CarPlay to the device. CarPlay initiates with Bluetooth, and then it becomes a proprietary Apple Wi-Fi connection. See if I swipe down here from Control Center? See how the Wi-Fi icon is white? Touching it would prompt me to disconnect CarPlay. That indicates that CarPlay is working properly and we're using that Wi-Fi signal. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds will take you back to the factory system. When you're using CarPlay to stream audio, you want to make sure that your factory system is set to aux mode. This means that we've grabbed the aux line similar to how an iPod would plug in. We're streaming music through to the Hamilton system and we're playing music via that aux line. Once in a while, we have folks who say to us, I don't want to use aux mode for whatever reason. They prefer to use factory Bluetooth. There's nothing wrong with that. It's entirely okay. You just need to email our customer service team and we'll send you a guide on how to reconfigure your device to use factory Bluetooth instead of aux mode. All of our screens are set up to use either aux mode by default or factory Bluetooth with a quick settings change. Of course, without changing any settings, you could also use any of your factory audio modes like FM, AM, or XM. Long holding that menu button will come back to CarPlay here. I'll show you that when you shift into reverse, your factory backup camera still comes up just like it did. You won't lose any functionality with this system. It is a beautiful difference to make to this vehicle. It has really brought it into 2025 right here. We have a full installation video on our YouTube channel. This system is backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee. It's a top-of-the-line warranty that means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. Check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.